What's going on? My name's Jake and you're watching Uncommon EDC, and today I'm opening the Grim Workshop monthly subscription for the month of June 2022. For 20 bucks a month, they send you EDC tools, usually in the form factor of a credit card or dog tag size tool. $20 usually get around double your value, 35 to 45 or so. And typically it's in products that already exist or new prototype type products that they're checking out that have yet to be released. So pretty cool subscription. Let's dive in. Today I'm opening it up with the Tor Knives Chasm. Just did a review on this knife. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link up in the corner. But let's go ahead and dive in. So right up top you have the content list. I'll save that for the end just to go over the values. But next up, it looks like we have a sticker from Grim Workshop, just random kind of tool workshop Grim kits sticker, so that's a nice thing. I haven't seen stickers in these boxes or packages before, so that's pretty cool. Followed by what looks like their lure card, so these all just kind of snap off, and I'll pull that out here just so you can get a better look. Again, so just fishing lures that snap off. This is a plastic card instead of their typical metal card, and 6 small lures as well as 2 medium or large size lures. So pretty cool one there. This one's been around for a while. I've definitely seen it before. Not one that I have though, so cool to see that in the package. Followed by a couple of tip cards. So you usually get 2 of these in the box every month. This month's are I2 and R3, which is how to make rendered animal fat, as well as recipes for cattails, which are a type of plant. So looks like 5 different recipes for cattails. Again, you always get 2 of them, so eventually you'll get like kind of the entire decks. They do sell them separately, either individually or in decks for different series. So if you're interested in checking those out, those are there. But you always get 2 in every month. It also looks like their spool card is back. This is just their business card. It's been kind of off and on lately. I'm guessing they're just running short, but it's a business card, but it can double as a spool if you want to run thread or fishing line or anything around it. It's good for storing cordage. Followed by a couple items here. The first one, I'm not sure what this is. It says water purification card. Looks like a credit card. I'm guessing this is new. I've never seen this before. And it is actually, so if you look on the content card, it's the early access water purification card and kit. So easy to access. Oh, this is early access to one of Grim's upcoming card storage pouches. This pouch is the size of a standard credit card and contains a small water purification kit. This card pouch comes with water purification tabs as well as water purification bag. The bag can be used standalone using solar water purification to sterilize the water, or you can use a purification tab cut in half to purify bags of water, or 2 bags worth of water quickly. And this MSRP is $11.95. It does not look like you can open and reseal this, so it's kind of a one-time use. It does seem that there's a zipper in there, I guess, but once you rip it off, it's not going to look like a credit card anymore. But it feels like, yeah, just kind of a couple bags and tablets in there. I'm not going to actually open it in case the water purification tablets aren't sealed inside. But yeah, pretty cool new product from them. And then this last one is the Bandit XL. And again, I'm going to refer to the card to see exactly what the intended use case of this is. Grim's Bandit XL, our largest version. The Bandit is a way to add external storage to your favorite items like knife sheath, containers, handles, and more. Slide your Bandit XL onto larger items and slip gear you want to easily access into the elastic gear loops to keep it handy. The Bandit XL fits items as small as an Altoid tin or as large as items roughly 8 inches around. And again, that's another one that's $11.95. I'm going to pull this out as well just so we can get a better look at it. So yeah, it looks like it's just a kind of 4.5 inch band that wraps around whatever you want. I guess it says knife sheaths. You can do, I guess, around a bag strap or Altoid tin. I was going to say I might have an Altoid tin. It looks like it would fit around your wrist pretty well. I guess it's a little bit oversized, but just gives you something that you can put around different things and add organization to them, which is nice. You can probably add this to some smaller pouches, things like that around the outside. And again, if you use this on an Altoid tin, it would be nice for keeping it closed because a lot of times those don't seal up very well when they're tightly packed. So this would be a good thing to keep it closed and allow you to add some extra storage. It looks like there's a lot of different size loops. On this side, maybe a 2-inch and two 1-inch loops. And on this side, it looks like two 1-inch loops and four, I guess, 1/2-inch loops, although those are going to be pretty tight. They're pretty small loops, so you'll have to put smaller items in there. But pretty cool contents this month. You get quite a bit compared to usual. So you're getting 3 kind of main items, the stickers, the 2 cards, and the spool card. And there's also a coupon code on there, 50% off Grimm's line card. So again, usually these coupon codes are specific to either one item or one series of items. This time it's the line card with code line in all caps, and that's 50% off the line card, which is a really good one, but specific again to that one product. So on the front side of this, you have the Bandit XL and the early access water purification card and kit. And it also sounds like this might be part of a newer series that's coming out, because it says early access to one of Grimm's upcoming card storage pouches, so I'm guessing they're doing different card series pouches. I'm sure this is meant to fit in a credit card slot in your wallet. I'm not sure if you're carrying either a card holder in your front pocket, this is going to be pretty bulky, and if you're carrying like a full-size wallet in your back pocket, don't know that I'd want to sit on it. So maybe it's better for, I mean, you can carry an extra wallet or something like that and put it in to your bag. I think seems like a better use case. And something like, I have one here, I think this is a Tough Possum Gear one, something like this where you're storing stuff in there and have different type of card tools would seem like a good option, so you don't bulk up your wallet with something so thick. Again, it's meant to look like a credit card, but just because of how thick it is, I don't know that I'd want to put it in a wallet. But in any event, $22 on the front side, or I guess $24 since they're both $11.95, so $23.90 on the front side. And then the lore card is listed at $9.85, so another $10 there to $34. And then these tip cards are always $1.85, so $2 each. So around $38 or so in value, which is, again, you pay $20 for it, so pretty good value this month. And some cooler items, a lot of smaller stuff. I like that sometimes rather than one big item, although it is nice to get one bigger item of higher value. But a lot of different items this month, which is pretty cool. Let me know what you think of this month's contents for the Grimm Workshop monthly subscription. Again, this is June 2022, down in the comments below. And thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, hope you have a great one. Take care.